Sai Ram class, how are you all? I hope that you all are very fine. So class, as we were in our chapter number 10, practical geometry, and today we will learn the last exercise of this chapter, which is based on construction of right angle triangle when the length of one leg means one of its side and its hypotenuse is given, and also we also know that it is a right angle triangle, so that means one angle is 90 degree is also given. So that means we will have hypotenuse, one angle, and any one angle which is equals to 90 degree and any one of its side. So let's see how we have to do such construction. In our first question, we have to construct a right angled triangle PQR in which angle Q is of 90 degree. So that means it is our PQR. Q is of 90 degree. QR is of 8 centimeter and PR is given as 10 centimeter. So let's see how we have to construct it. So first we have to draw QR equals to 8 centimeter so that we can make angle Q then from this line. So this is our QR of 8 centimeter. Now we have given that we have to make angle Q equals to 90 degree. So let's use protractor to make angle Q equals to 90 degree. So this is our point for 90 degree angle. Now we have to join Q with this point so that we will have angle Q equals to 90 degree. So this is our angle Q of 90 degree. Let's give this point name as A. Now the third thing we have given is PR of 10 centimeter. So what we will do? We have to take the gap of 10 centimeter in between the tip of the pencil and tip of the compass. So let's take the gap of 10 centimeter. So you can see that I have taken the gap of 10 centimeter in between tip of the pencil and compass. Now I will use this and place the pinpoint of the compass on R and mark on our line PA. So let's mark an arc. Now where this arc will intersect AQ, this will be our point P. Now what we have to do? We have to join P and R so that we have our required triangle PQR, which is of having 90 degree angle in Q. So it is our 10 centimeter side. So now this is our required triangle PQ and R. In our next question, question number 2, we have to construct right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter long and one of its leg is 4 centimeter. So let's take the base side is of 4 centimeter and we all know that this angle is of 90 degrees. So let's start its construction. First we will make the leg which is given of 4 centimeter. So this is our leg side of 4 centimeter and we will name it AB of 4 centimeter. Now let's make an angle of 90 degree from A, or we can make it from B also. So let's make it from B. So this is our point for 90 degree angle. Now we have to join the B point with this so that we will have 90 degree angle in our B vertex. So this is our angle B of 90 degree. Let's take this point as x. Now we have given that hypotenuse is of 6 centimeter long. So what we have to do? We have to take the gap of 6 centimeter in between the tip of the compass and pencil. So you can see here I have taken the gap of 6 centimeter in between tip of the compass and pencil. Now I will place the tip of the compass on point A and I will mark an arc on BX. Now where this arc cut BX, it will be our point C, which is the third vertex of required triangle ABC. Now what we have to do? We have to join A and C together. And we will have our required triangle ABC with hypotenuse 6 centimeter. In question number 3, we have to construct an isosceles right angle triangle. See, it is right angled also and isosceles also. So we have given this C as 90 degree and AC. That means if it is of C, it is of 90 degree and we have given that AC. Let's take it as A and this as B. So we all know that hypotenuse is always the longest side. So if it is of 6 centimeter, so it is also of 6 centimeter. So it will become the case of side angle side. So let's start its construction. First we will draw AC of 6 centimeter. So this is our AC, side AC of 6 centimeter. Now in question we have given that angle ACB is of 90 degrees. So we have to make 90 degree on C. So we will use protractor and this is our point for 90 degree. Now we will join C with this point to have angle of 90 degree on C. Now you can see this is our angle C of 90 degree. Let's name this point as P. Now we have given in question that this is our isosceles right angle triangle. So hypotenuse could not be equal to this side. So the another side which is equals to 6 centimeter is this one. So now we have to take the gap of 6 centimeter in between the tip of the compass and pencil of 6 centimeter. So yes, I have taken the gap of 6 centimeter. Now we will place the tip of the compass on C and mark an arc of 6 centimeter on PC. Now where PC cut by this arc, this will be our point B. Now we have to join A and B together to have the required isosceles right angle triangle. So you can see here this is our 6 centimeter side and this is our required triangle A, B and C. So class, this is it for today. We learned the construction of right angle triangle when the length of one leg and its hypotenuse is given. So till then, thank you class.